Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective bedtime weight loss drink that helps to cut your belly fat. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mug like this, add a teaspoon of fenugreek. Fenugreek reduces the risk of diabetics, improves weight loss, reduces inflammation, reduces the risk of heart disease and blood pressure, and relieves pain. Then to this, add a teaspoon of coriander seeds. Coriander seeds are rich in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, and they provide significant health benefits. Coriander leaves and seeds are full of vitamin K, which plays an important role in helping your blood clot. Vitamin K also helps in bone repair. Today I have taken apple cider vinegar. Brand is totally optional. Choose an ACV with mother vinegar. It is high in healthful substances, helps to kill harmful bacteria, helps to lower blood sugar levels and manages diabetes, aids weight loss, boosts heart and skin health, and helps in reducing weight loss as they break down the fat cells and convert them to energy. Add a tablespoon of ACV to the mug. Then add 1 cup of lukewarm water. Cover and rest for 5 minutes. The essence and benefits of the ingredients are getting extracted to the water. After 5 minutes, open and check. The ingredients are well soaked. Strain and add it to a mug. The next ingredient is lemon. You will need about a tablespoon of lemon juice. So half the lemon is more than sufficient. Add it to the mug. Lemon on the other hand boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Give it a good mix. Now a healthy weight loss drink is ready. Drink it 10 minutes before going to bed. Also make sure to have your dinner before an hour to drinking this fat cutter drink. This drink improves your metabolism while you are in sleep and cut down the belly fat. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink today boosts your immunity. So do try this fat cutter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.